पोस्टमॅनाचे कितें जालां, आय हॅव रेज्ड दिस क्वेश्चन इन लोकसभा लास्ट सेशनान की आख्खे गोंयभर आमचे गोंयकार पोस्टमॅन आसा एका एका गांवांत. आनी पोस्टमॅन म्हणून एक पर्सनल रिलेशनशीप बिटवीन द पोस्टमॅन एंड द फॅमिली हें आदीसान आसतालें. आमची हांव जाणो म्हजी श्यामाय रावताली, तिका एक मनी ऑर्डर येतली म्हणून, आनी तातूंतलो तो ल्हानसो एक हें पोस्टमॅनाक खोशेन दिताले आपणाचो पूत कसो. दॅट वॉज अ रिलेशनशीप. आयज आमकां कळून आयला दॅट आमचे जितले पोस्टमॅन आसा गोंयकार तांकां भायर उडयतात. आनी महाराष्ट्रांतल्यान 100 पोस्टमॅन आर रिपोर्टींग हियर, 50 आर कमींग इमिजिएटली. द मेडिकल्स आर ऑलरेडी ओवर म्हणून आयकता. सिंपल एक्झाम्पल दिता. खंयसान येतात हे? परभणी, सांगली, सिंधुदुर्ग, रत्नागिरी, चंद्रपूर, बीड, नागपूर, मागीर धाराशिव, वार्धा, चंद्रपूर, सोलापूर, बुलढाणा, कराड, नांदेड, हे पळय सगळे, अकोला, भुसावळ, पंढरपूर, सिंधुदुर्ग, हे आमचे गोंयांत पोस्टमॅन म्हणून ऑलरेडी अपॉइंट जाले. तांकां अपॉइंटमेंट दिलो, ते आतां येवपाचे आहा. आनी आमचे गोंयकार पळय आशिल्ले 15, 17, 20 वर्सां जालीं काम करतात, तांकां सांगलां वर्बली तुमी आतां सोडून वचा म्हणून.
And Captain, कितले अशे पोस्टमॅन who are going to lose their jobs?
100 पोस्टमॅन, 100 पोस्टमॅन, 100 पोस्टमॅन आतां गोंयांत आनी धाडपाक केला. 50 जाणांचे सगळे रेडी जाले, ट्रेनिंग, मेडिकल सगळे. ते आतां दे आर गोईंग टू कम इमिजिएटली. एंड द सेकंड बॅच इज गोईंग टू कम समवेअर इन मार्च ऑर एप्रील. सो वॉट इज दीस गव्हर्मेंट डुईंग? एका सायडीक जॉब ना, आनी जे तांकां जॉब आहा तांकांय तुमी काडून उडयता. आनी पोस्टमॅन म्हळ्यार कितें? इट्स अ पर्सनल रिलेशनशीप. ताणें बाबा कोंकणीन उलोवपाक जाय, लोकल लँग्वेज आसा तातूंत कन्वर्स करपाक जाय. कोणाची लेटर आयल्या, कितें आयल्या, बाबा हांगा तूं आतां महाराष्ट्राक सावन आयला, गांवांनी जस्ट एक एग्जाम्पल दी. तो येतलो, तो एक भाशेन उलयतलो जे आमच्या लोकांक हांगा समजचें ना. यू आर एब्रप्टली ब्रेकिंग अप अ रिलेशनशीप विच इज द एक ट्रस्ट आसा पळय तो. आनी हो गोंयचो सरकार कितें करता? आनी सेंटराक मोदी सरकार कितें करता? आमचे जे लोकल्स आसा तांकां भायर उडयता तुमी आनी महाराष्ट्राक सर हाडून दवरता. सो आय हॅड रेज दीस क्वेश्चन इन पार्लमेंट. आय विल नाव टेक अप विथ द कन्सर्न मिनिस्ट्री दॅट आमचे पळय हे 100 पोस्टमॅन आसा सद्या, तांचो जॉब प्रोटेक्ट करपाक जाय. बिकॉज दे हॅव बीन वर्किंग फॉर सो मेनी इयर्स. आतां हे पळय न्यू पोस्टमॅन येतात, तांकां कशें सिलेक्ट केल्या? हेच पळय आमचे गोंयकार पोस्टमॅन आमच्या पोस्ट ऑफिसांनी काम करताले, तशें ते आपापणाच्या गांवांनी पोस्ट ऑफिसांत काम करताले. आफ्टर 3 to 4 years they were given an opportunity to become GDS म्हणटात, ग्राम सेवक तसले. सो आमच्या पोस्टमॅनाक कित्याक दिवना तो ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी? सिंपल. दे आर वर्किंग एज ऑन लेबर बेसीस, डे टू डे बेसीस, एज लेबर क्लास. आमचे पोस्टमॅन 600 रुपया तांकां दिसाक मेळटा. ज्या दिसा हॉलिडे, ज्या दिसा आयतार आसा तांकां पगार मेळना. तांकां तुमी रेग्युलरायज करचे सुवातेर तुमी भायल्यान परमनंट करून हाडटा. सो दीस इज ग्रॉस इनजस्टीस एंड वी विल फायट फॉर इट.
Captain, now this quality of tourists has been decreasing. And now this quantity is coming on who are getting into rowdy brawls, drinking on roads, etc. A lot of things. How would you say that, and they're even eating, drinking on the beach. How would you say to rectify this thing?
See, first of all, आमचो सरकार कोण तर हे सोशल मिडिया आनी कोण ते पळय इन्फ्लुएन्सर्स आहा ते तर हायलायट करीत हे तांच्या फाटल्यान पडटात की तांकां लागून टुरिजम डावन जालें म्हणून. आतां तांकां एम्प्लॉय केल्या खंय टू प्रमोट टुरिजम. वी हॅव बीन सीइंग दिस टायप ऑफ टुरिजम इन गोवा फॉर नाव फ्यू इयर्स. बसींनी येतात, खंय रावतात, रांदतात आनी ते सगळो आसा तो गार्बेज तो थंय डंप करतात. द पंचायत इज नॉट टेकन इन टू एनी कन्सिडरेशन. म्युनिसिपॅलिटी खंय कितेंय चल्लां. So there is actually responsibility of the government to come with some guidelines. However rowdy, however unruly, हावेवर अनसोशल कोण आसत जाल्यार तुजे तर कायदे आसत, थंय फायनूय आसता की बाबा हे तुजें करपाक जायना आनी ते तर करीत जाल्यार फायन घालपाक जाय. दे शूड बी चार्ज. आमचें कितें खंय कमिशन मेळता थंय मेळता. बिकॉज ऑफ दीस कमिशन यू आर गेटिंग दीस टायप ऑफ टुरिजम. For so many years, Goa was known as a tourist destination across the world. Eyes by foreign tourists, they've stopped coming. They're going to other destinations. This beautiful land of Goa, sada paradise म्हणटा आमचे माणकुले सोबीत सुंदर गोंय. ह्या आमच्या गोंयच्या सरकारान they kept saying we are bringing a 5-star culture. Is this the 5-star culture? We were already 5-star. I'm saying you made it into 3rd class culture. So this government is responsible. Tourism minister should take responsibility for this.
कॅप्टन सेंट फ्रान्सिस एरिया एज्युकेशन झालं तिथं तूही आलो आता त्यांनी जाय जाणांचे चार्जशीट केला सुजेरी केला और वॉट इज द सी ऑन दिस
See,
चालतं ते
तुम्ही पळयला खंयच्या दिसा ताणें अनाउन्स केला चार्जशीट जाले बी
आफ्टर
on
एक्सप्रेस
that last day. That means this government had a communal mindset. सगळें बरें चल्लां मुद्दम छावोवपाक. I saw in one this even अशे प्रोटेस्टरांचेर हें केलां पळय, they were not normal protesters. तांची भावना, तांचे religious sentiments were hurt. की गोंयचो साहेब not only Catholics but Hindus, Muslims मानता. That was the proof what we saw in the last 45 days. सगळे धर्माचे लोक आयले. जो कोणे पळय चावोन घाले, who has been doing it repeatedly, तो roaming freely. आणि हांचेर तुम्ही करता. I saw in one this even Miki Pacheco is being charged. What is the fault of Miki Pacheco? ताका भेकणावपाक. It is all political. This is तांचो पळय तो मिनिस्टर हा गोंयचो, he is targeting Miki Pacheco. तशें सगळ्यांक एक एकटा हे करता ते टार्गेटिंग. गोंयकार भिवपाक ना. We will stand by all the goals. ओ सरकारूच तसो. This is all political. And we have been telling the police, don't come under pressure. Do a impartial, free and fair investigation. आमचेरूय त्या कोलाक लागून केस चलता. आता परती 14 every month we go. We are not frightened. This fight is to save Goa. This fight is to save the communal harmony, the culture. आमची संस्कृती आसा पळय ती. 154 तर चार्ज केला that I am telling you we will stand by everybody. We will support them. They have not done anything wrong. They came to express their anger. So by targeting and this you are worsening the situation. This government corruption tackle करच्या सुवातेर लोकांचेर केसी करता.
This boring bridge, again this case thing has come up and the stay has been adjourned to February 17. Captain, can you say something on this?
See, we had submitted a memorandum to the Minister of Road Transport and Highways, which was given to me by the villagers of Lotholi. And I had presented to him. And he had immediately replied saying he is getting it examined. Jenna ताणे सांगले, I am getting the matter examined. Okay, it was an assurance that I am not going ahead. I am getting it examined. म्हाका लेटर आयल्या ती फ्रॉम नितीन गडकरी आणि दुसऱ्या दिसा गोंयचो सरकार सुभाष शिरोडकार WRD मिनिस्टर he is making a statement, we will acquire and give the land to Morg for construction. आम्ही पळय म्हणटा चोर अशें येवंक ना. गेट कोणे ओपन केली? भायले चोर भितरले भेदी म्हणटा पळय तशें ते. हे सगळे आसा मिनिस्टर पळय तांकां एक फोन येता, भैया उसने बंद किया है, आता तू कर एक्वायर आनी आमकां दी. आनी हे एवर विलिंग आमचे गोंय आमची जमीन विकपाक. तो एक दुसरी डबल गेम खेळटालो नुवेचो MLA मिनिस्टर. थोड्या फार्मरांक व्हेल्यात नितीन गडकरीची, थोड्यांक झगडटा तांकां सेपरेट दवरल्या. दीस इज डिवायड अँड रूल विच इज गोईंग ऑन. आमचे गोंयकारांक आज डिवायड केल्या. दीज आर द कल्प्रिट बिट्रेयर्स ऑफ गोवा. अँड वी विल एक्सपोज दीस पीपल.
What do you have to say about this short assembly upcoming session?
This, what is our country? आम्ही म्हणतो इंडिया इज अ सॉव्हरन सेक्युलर सोशलिस्ट डेमोक्रेटिक रिपब्लिक. वेअर इज द डेमोक्रेसी? डेमोक्रेसी जाल्या भासाभास जावपाक जाय. 40 कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीज आसा, इतले इश्यूज आसा, 2 दिसांनी कशे डिस्कस जातले? 40 MLAs putting their questions. Here I am saying even BJP MLAs are putting question. You have a right. Issues घेवपाक जाय, 2 दिसांनी कशे जातले? It should be at least 15-20 days. जाय तशे कितले इश्यूज आसा ते भासाभास करा. You all are running away. That means you cannot face. When you cannot face the MLAs, that means you cannot face the public. MLAs are the representatives of the people.
As tomorrow you are leaving, or today you are leaving to Delhi, what issues are going to take up there?
No, today what I am leaving is because the defense committee meeting is there. So we will be going through different services, the problems, issues which are there, bureaucratic problems which are there, discuss karpak to have a better this for the armed forces. And Janna Parliament at we have already people have started approaching. The budget session is coming up on 31st January. So we have received lot of issues from people. I will be raising it in Parliament. Some are under star, some under run star, but खूपशे आम्ही क्वेश्चन रेज करतले concerning Goa. Last session जे complete झाला, we had raised about 37 issues. And the previous one, जो budget session आशिल्ले, that we had raised 33 issues. So whatever people are this, we sit there, we discuss how to take up the issue, how it will benefit the people, how it will benefit the state government. Even ह्या सरकाराचे, we may be in the opposition, but even ह्या सरकाराचे, गोयच्या सरकाराचे interest, we are fighting in the center, we are raising the issues. आमच्याकडेच राहिना म्हणून आता फायनान्स कमिशन, 16th फायनान्स कमिशन is coming tomorrow. Are they prepared? The chief minister is the finance minister. Does he know what is 16th commission? It started in 1951 under Prime Minister Nehru, the first Pradhan Mantri. This time the 16th finance. आयज आम्ही ऋणान बुडलेले आसा 28-30 हजार कोटी. Why? Because when the 15th commission came in 2015, these people did not know how to present. You have to tell तुका कितें जाय, सरकाराक कितें जाय. एका सायडीक आमी म्हणटा आमचे पर कॅपिटा इज व्हेरी हाय, आमची लिटरसी रेट इज व्हेरी हाय. Then how come we are not getting funds? We are getting only 0.41% of the entire fund revenue जे कलेक्ट करता इंडियाचो सरकार पळय तो. We have to get proportional. तांचो एक फॉर्म्युला आसा that you will get as per your size and as per the people, population. No, if we are contributing so much, we have so many issues. These people should be prepared. Ask funds for education, ask funds for health, ask funds for agriculture, ask funds for fishing, ask funds for roads, infrastructure, ask for panchayat, for आयज पंचायताचे सरपंच सगळे सांगता आमचे कडेन आमी पयशे दिवंक ना म्हणून. म्युनिसिपॅलिटीज आसा, सो मेनी these are there. आमचे एनवायरमेंट आसा, टुरिझम, हाऊ टू प्रमोट टुरिझम, ask for funds. Today I have been proposed by the Congress party as a member of the consultative committee of tourism and culture. I raised issues about Goa. We are about 17 of us. गोयचे हांवें खुबशे इश्यूज रेज केले. ह्या सरकारान इश्यू रेज करपाक जाय, बट आय डोंट लूक एट एज एन ऑपोजिशन MP. गोयच्या इंट्रस्टा प्रमाणे हांव इश्यू रेज करता. हाव when I spoke to Mr. Bhupinder Yadav, who is the Minister of Environment, ताका हांवें सांगलें टुरिझम गोंया म्हळ्यार कोणें टुरिझम शिकोवपाची गरज ना. आमचें टुरिझम आशिल्लें इवन बिफोर लिबरेशन. हाऊ इज इट गोइंग टू बेनिफिट द लोकल यूथ? This is what has to be put in the charter. So ह्या सरकाराक कांय खबर ना. So I hope they apply their mind for 16th Finance Commission जे फाल्यां मेवता. I will also be asking for a meeting with them in the interest of Goa, which will help the state government. नाल्यार आमी भिकेकूच पडटले. आमचे फकत कितें रेव्हेन्यू म्हणचे ते कसिनो. आयज पासून तांणी तो what is that? There is supposed to be one that resident commissioner असता पळय आजपासून ताणी हे करूंक ना. You are getting revenue of say 500 customers who have come to play casino. Actually there are 1,500. 1,000चे खंय गेले पैसे? या सरकाराक खबर ना? खबर आसा. That is where we have to ask, कोण पैसे खाता काय म्हणून. Casino people are happy. आता ते इतले डेअरिंग झाले कॅसिनो जेन्ना ईडीन रेड मारली लास्ट मंथ the staff locked up the ED people. Correct? I gave notice 3 times in the parliament. This is what is the law and order in Goa.
Captain, as the government is the same over here in the state as well as the center. Now you have taken ministers' names and all. Do you get help from them at the center?
Yes.
Can you explain to them?
Yes, they are ready to help. I told you about now environment minister. Environment minister is also, tourism comes under him in DHO. That is Mr. Bhupender Yadav, the tourism minister asa paida. I proposed lot of this. Amche goiche, yes, we have got backwaters. How can you develop? How can you involve villages? Amche reindeer asa, toddy tappers. How can you tap them? Kerala jata, jenna tancho boti vetat. टुरिस्टांक घेऊन बोटी रावतात तेकतात तडेक तो आडसोला काडटा वयरसान ही इज गेटिंग इनकम फुडें वेतात जेवणाच्या टायमार लोकल फूड केले का पत्ता म्हणटा पळय ते बनाना लीफ जेवण दितात ट्रेडिशनल जेवण तशें आमचें करपाक जाय. आमकां टायम ना हे फकत पयशे कमिशन मेजता. दिस इज द प्रॉब्लेम विथ आवर मिनिस्टर्स. आमकां फकत संग बनाचें कशें कमिशन मेळपाचें कोण मेले कितें मेले पडक ना. दे डिस्ट्रॉयिंग गोवा and the generations to come will never forgive these people.
Captain, well, some issue the railway is the
See, it's a very complex issue. First of all, we have to salute the people of Welsam. Till today they are fighting. Last week, तशें हांव जस्ट आयिल्लो गोंया पावुल्लो. I got a call from an old lady. पूण म्हणलें बाबा मातसो यो हे JCB घेवन आयल्या. So I rushed him. I asked him, what are you doing? Why you all have come? We had a meeting here and you all said you all will not interfere. So they said, no sir, ये आमच्या प्रॉपर्टीन येतात ते कितें येता. They demolished actually. Demolish केले ते. एक टॉयलेट आनी भाटी आशिल्ली पळय ते. I was more this because the भाटी. त्या भाटयेचेर this is the 4th generation आपणाचे पोट चलयता पळय ते. It is almost 100 years old. Traditional bhati. So these are the problems. Now, why it has become difficult? That fight is, this is the entire railway track, Chennai to Vasco da Gama. This is Welsam. This is Welsam. या सायडीक आणि ह्या सायडीक प्रॉपर्टी ओनर्स भाडकारांनी कॉम्पेन्सेशन घेतले. They have taken money. These are the people, why I say I am saluting. Poor people, they are not ready to give up their land and houses. They are still fighting. इतलेच गोंयकार उरले आमी बाकीचे गोंयकार ना. We all have to fight, no? That is why we are rushing to support them. की ताणी एक आपणाचे गोंयकार पण दाखयले की ते ना पयशे दिया कितें घेवपाक ना म्हणून. But it has become difficult because other people across that section, entire Goa, except Welsam, they have refused to take compensation. Amka naka bodu. That is why we have to support them and salute them.